Another year older, another year wiser, right? Well, that's what they say anyway. Today marks a special day. My birthday. Woo! It's supposed to be all about celebration and joy, but honestly, I'm feeling kind of meh. You know, it's funny how birthdays are supposed to be this magical time, but I somehow always end up with the birthday blues. They say if you look good, you feel good, and I know that to be true, so watch me get myself together in anticipation of turning another year older. Happy birthday to me. Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I just washed my hair. This is the second time I'm washing my hair since I got the texture release, and this is what it's looking like. It is going to take 12 weeks for the thing that's on my hair to fully leave, and hopefully I will be back to normal after that. Fingers crossed, because right now it's giving straight with a hint of curls. But yeah, as you can see by the title, this is the vlog that my birthday is going to be included in, and as you can hear from the introduction, your girl is going through the birthday blues. Now, I don't have my birthday is Sunday, so it's the, wait, if you're watching this on Monday, my birthday was yesterday. I don't have any plans, really and truly. I don't have any plans at all for the day. At first I was saying I would probably go to church and then go to brunch afterwards, but then I'm more feeling like I just want to sleep in, and if I end up doing something, I end up doing something, I don't know. But yeah, in a sense we're going to be doing some maintenance in this hair vlog, starting with my hair. Wash my hair because it's been driving me crazy. For the past like 2 weeks I've just been really wanting to wash it. So that's what I did. Just going to go ahead and put this in 2K now. Forget it out of my way because I honestly don't want to deal with this right now. So I deal with this right now. This is how it's looking. I don't know if I said it before, but the curls are very relaxed still. I hope that they will come back as I wash it more. But yeah, I don't really care too much. As long as there's some waves in there, I'm fine. I just don't want it bone straight because I realized that I like it for a little bit, but not for a long time. I like the volume up here. Well, not really. I don't know more. In a sense, I don't know what I want. Hi. It's Friday, December 5th. 2 days before my birthday. And the maintenance is just starting. And that's mostly because I have something to do today. I have an event kind of to go to with Red Stripe. By the time you guys are seeing this, the reel is probably up on my page. If not, then you guys can look out momentarily. No, look out for the reel. Support a sister. Also, the intro dramatic. The intro very dramatic. Like, girl, get it together, get a grip on life. But anyways, that's how I was feeling on that day that I made the intro. Was very true to my feelings on that day, but I have since done something about it. I wasn't happy about something, so I did something about it. And yeah, complain with a cause. But yeah, I'm about to do my, I have the whole setup here. I have the drill, I have the lamp, I have my press-on kit over there. This press-on kit I got from Amazon. I don't think I showed you, did I show you guys this before? No, I did not. This, it is, I did not expect a whole thing, by the way. I got a whole heap of nails. I got the builder gel, I got the cuticle nail glue, nail glue remover, the cotton pad them. Me get that something here, nail file, one bag of something, and I believe this was like $50. Again, I don't have an Amazon storefront. I don't have none of them. Some things there. The most I can do. Oh, I'm gonna get one little LED lamp with it, but this take too long. Have this one, so I'm just gonna use this one. Yeah, it's the most I can do is find the link for it and put it in my description box or something. But yeah, I really love it. Like it's the quality is good. It's so tea. So I'm just gonna sit here and do my nails and probably listen to some music, and yeah, still don't have no plans for my birthday, so yeah, but I guess I get montage. Montage. All the girls. I know there's somebody who loves me. Somebody who really loves me. And that's all I don't remember showing you guys the finished product, but these are the nails. Very cutesy, very clean, girl. I was going to polish them black, but I decided against it at the very last minute. Most of it was because the polish never did on the table and I could have picked it up. Laziness, I know. But I'm going to start doing my makeup for this activation. I'm not gonna lie, I do get very nervous every time I'm supposed to do one of these videos. I don't know why. That's that self-doubt. Self-doubt is my kryptonite, but shall go about our business. I actually created a page. I'm going to be offering real creation services. So you guys can go and follow that. The name is right here, Real House JA. Yeah. So I'm excited to see what that blossoms into. But for right now, I'm getting ready to, I don't know the drill. When it's Instagram late night, I barely have time to vlog, but I'm going to try as best as possible, because what happens is my battery them hours are dead very fast, and I'm preserving the batteries to film for the reel. So yeah, I say also guys, me look for one piece of strip lash to put on before I do my clusters. I can't find a proper decent lash. All the lash them look like some I go spin pan pole at night time. Yeah, spider leg. I love that for myself. I'm trying one little thin one. I want thin one. It's have to go work. Bam, so good. Light gone. Can you imagine a good thing somebody done my makeup and my ear? I've right as soon as I finish with my ear, the light shut off. Darkness. I can put on my clothes now, do I head out. And hopefully I favor could do. So apart from the traffic being astronomical, the traffic, I'm just say, apart from the light going on with the traffic is astronomical. So I'm here. I didn't even get to give you guys an OOTD, but I am wearing this leopard dress moment. It's giving club, it's giving sexy. I wanted to wear something a little bit more casual, but the universe said no, because I swore I had a top. Turns out the top is not even in the country. So yeah, I could not dress chill. I had to dress up. So, well, dress up in, it's just a dress. I don't consider like a dress like a fit. It's just a dress, like not a choice but to be a dress. There's nothing added or subtracted from it being a dress. So they aren't here yet because, as I said, the traffic is crazy. So I'm in the car waiting until everybody gets here, and I honestly don't mind, because every time I've been out, like I haven't been out a lot, but every time I've been out for the past like couple times, I don't have no time to get all the cute girl snaps, get all the you know. So I'm gonna get those now, and then I'll come back to you guys when I'm inside. Oh my god, guys, I said I was gonna vlog and then I didn't because it's been so hectic. Oh my god, yeah, man! It's been so hectic from stop to stop, but we're at the lot now and it's kind of winding down. I think I need to close out the reel that I was taking to the cat here because I thought it was a reach up. So I just got home. It's currently December 6th, so tomorrow is my birthday. So many people tonight were like, I saw Rasheen tonight. Oh my god, I saw Rasheen. You guys didn't see him. Rasheen was like, show me your birthday, what y'all do. Honestly, if I feel like it, if I wake up in time, I'll go to church. If not, then I'm just going to live the day like a normal day. But my makeup is still cute. Red stripes, bar hopping night. 10 out of 10 just kiss. I loved it. Honestly, I got a taste of, I got a reminder of what it's like to have a social life, because as you guys can see, I haven't really been going anywhere at all. But yeah, I got a taste of what it's, I got a reminder of what it's like to have a social life, and I like it. I like it. I'm reminded that I like it, but then tomorrow I'm still gonna be like, I don't want to go nowhere. I want to stay in my house. Work from home has its pros and its cons, and that's one of the cons. You get too comfortable being inside, you don't want to go nowhere. But yeah, I'm home. I'm gonna wipe this makeup. I can put some water on. Yeah, my water gone. So I'm gonna take this makeup off with micellar water and wipes, and I have my laser appointment in the morning. I'm gonna take you guys with that. It's gonna be my second session. I did my first session last month, 4 weeks ago. I have my laser appointment in the morning, guys. It hurts. I was a wax girl. Don't come into the bathroom because the echo is kind of pissing me off. I was a wax girl before I started doing laser, and it still hurts. I don't care what nobody says, it hurts. Like my coochie feels like it's exactly that. I don't know how else to explain it. It hurts. It don't feel like no rubber band a slap and a sting it. It just hot. It just plain hot. Feel like fire burn in your pokey. But yeah, I'm going for my second session tomorrow. I'm seeing results. I'm not mad at it. I just want the 45 minutes to up and run up. I'm the type of person where I will condition my mind to feel pain for a short period of time for a greater good. That's exactly what I'm doing tomorrow. So she doesn't really, I don't know. I think I'll record on my phone my reaction of her zapping my hairs away, my hair follicles away. So I'll see you guys at 9 a.m. It's currently 7 past 1. So I'll see you guys in the morning. I'm tired, yeah. Not really. I'm a big girl. I'll survive. It's currently 1:07. December 7th. It's my birthday. my birthday catch me a clean. Honestly, my room did dirty, and I did a little decluttering, my throw away majority of the garbage. Like, not when I say garbage, it doesn't mean like real garbage. It's just like stuff that I'm not using anymore or don't need, or they're expired. So when I go for doing like my Christmas cleaning, I don't really have much to do. It's just like organize. I almost say organize my top of my closet, like up at the top. Everything else is spick and span. If I want to rearrange it, I rearrange it. Yeah. But yeah, it's my birthday. No plans, just vibes. We'll see how the day turn out. As I can see, I never do the lash. When I see my face, yeah. Let me just see. Probably put them on my wake up. I have something for film. I have some filming for tomorrow and editing. So yeah, I'm gonna hop in the shower and take my little booty to bed. I'm sure this is a gift. One of my gifts from mommy. A cute little dainty necklace from Anna Louisa. Cute. And then she got me a new everyday black watch. I've been saying for the longest time I need a new everyday black watch, but she got me one. So big up cooking with Lucia all the time. She wants to send her some picture now so she can go flood her WhatsApp status. Oh yeah, I will check in with you guys tomorrow in the morning. Yeah. So it is further in the day. As you can see, I'm in the same getup that I was in the other night because I needed to do some clips for my reel that I'm doing. I'm so excited for this one because it's so different. I've never really done anything like this, and it was a little bit challenging for me, but yeah. So if it don't come out yet, look out for it on my Instagram and on my personal Instagram, ShamKG, as well as on the Real House JA page. And I just want to clarify because I realized there's a little bit of confusion. That page is not me saying I would do influencer content in real form for anybody. It's me actually filming, shooting, and giving you guys the real as a videographer, not as a person. I wouldn't be included in the video any at all. So yeah, that's that. As it relates, it's like 3 o'clock now, so go eat my dinner, take off all this and chill out, probably watch The Grinch or something. But yeah, I don't even know if this vlog is gonna be long enough, but honestly, anyway, if it's even 5 minutes, I'm still gonna post it. But yeah, that's how we're looking so far. I'll come to you guys like doing, as you can see, I did not do the cluster. I didn't do the cluster lashes because but yeah, I'll see you guys in a few. Hi, me again. I just come to tell you guys that this is the end of the vlog. I know when I likely this comment section is gonna be flooded with birthday wishes. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. If you want to give me a birthday gift, I'm just asking for something that's free. It doesn't cost any money. Just cost it probably 30 seconds of your life. Just go follow my new business venture, Real House J. That's it. That's all. That would be you guys' birthday gift to me. So yeah, that's it for this year. Very underwhelming, man. I'm so sorry if I did build up anybody's expectations. I'm so sorry. But yeah, I got flowers. Did I guys show you that I got flowers? I didn't. I got flowers. I have my gifts. Most of my gifts are on their way. As I said, I'm going to forget to order something. But yeah, most of my gifts are on their way. Really grateful, really appreciative. So yeah, that's it for the 2025 birthday. I look forward to Christmas. Christmas is where I do my big one. Yeah, so looking forward to Christmas, and yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Hopefully there is there is gonna be a vlog coming Monday. Bye. Bye. Follow Real Host JA. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Thank you.